What's up, everybody, man? It's your boy, Mr. Dugai, coming at y'all with another video, man. And today I'm going to talk about last night's baseball game. You had the Atlanta Braves beating the Chicago Cubs 9-4. Big time win for the Braves, man, because the way we started off the season, going to Philly and getting swept like we did, to turn around and come back home and play a quality opponent in the Chicago Cubs and to sweep them to get to 500 on the season. It's good signs early on, man. Um, Shout out to Fried, man. Fried, like he had a perfect game into the sixth inning, man. He was out there just willing and dealing, man, doing his thing. The young left-hander did his thing. Like I said, perfect game into the with 2 outs in the sixth inning. Really looked good on the mound. Looked like he had great command. And it's always good to at least get 6 innings out of your pitchers. Um, then for us, offensively, Yu Darvish was out there. He did okay against us. And then was it in the fifth or the sixth inning? Joe Madden pulled him, and the floodgates opened again, man. As much problems as we think we have with our bullpen, the Chicago Cubs got real bullpen problems, man. And it's funny because Joe Madden keep going to the bullpen early. You know what I'm saying? So it was relatively, it was a 1-0 game. Ooh. So, oh, sorry, excuse me. It was, oh, excuse me. Oof. It was a 1-0 game. And then he walked the bases loaded, and then he walked in a run. And then Nick Markakis came up to bat, and he had a bases clearing double to pretty much give us a 5-0 lead and pretty much open up the floodgates for us. And shout out to Nick Markakis, man. He went 5 for 5 last night with 5 RBIs, man. So big time performance by the Braves, big time series win to get the sweep over the Cubs. Now we got the Miami Marlins coming in, a team that's not really doing too well right now neither. So we got to take advantage of these games against lesser opponents and at home. But big time response by the Braves, man, after getting swept by the Phillies by coming up with their own sweep. But with that being said, man, that's all I got for y'all today. Appreciate y'all checking out the video. Go on, give me a subscribe, man. I'm gonna have Atlanta Braves content throughout the year without all the coughing. Y'all have a blessed one. Chop on.